Bagsak yepa mga kabalin, isang malaking karangalan na naman para sa mga Kapampangan. Ang isang kampyonato sa NBL Youth Pilipinas Under 14 Basketball League. Pinatunayan ng mga batang Kapampangan bowlers kung ano ang kanilang ibubuga pagdating sa iba't ibang team sa liga ng NBL. Opo mga kabalin, champion po ang Pampanga Delta Junior Under 14 sa NBL Youth 2022 sa gabay ni Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, Coach Totoy Marquez, Coach John Ocampo at Coach Loreto Lumanog.
We award the plaque of the champion and together present the champion of the NBL Youth 14 under category, the Pampanga Junior Delta. Before that, we would like to call our team owner, the Honorable Governor of Pampanga, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, on center court as we present one by one our champion. Together with Governor Pineda are the coaches of the 14 under category, Coach Manuel Marquez, Coach Loreto Lumanog, and Coach John Ocampo. May I call the champion of the NBL Youth 14 under category, Tywin Guevara, Eugene Peña, Gabriel Angelo Mercado, Prince David, Mark L. Guevara, Prince Reginald Mercado, Ashley Sunyang, Jaden Silas Cano, John Denver Season, Ruben Yuan Sigua, Cedric Yuan Ocampo, Tristan Louis Dizon, Stephen Kunan, Vin Santos, Chester Tulabot, Prince Aldana, Kiam Anthony de la Cruz, and last but not the least, Kenji Yog Mora. Can we have the plaque of the champion and awarded to the Honorable Governor Dennis Delta Pineda?
Best chess world war. God go banging on his door. Yep. Yeah. Be master. Don't wait for nothing.
Congratulations, Pampanga Junior Delta.
Once again, thanks to VP for Basketball Operations and NBL Commissioner Mr. Edward Aquino and Executive Vice President Ms. Rose Montreal. Once again, have a very big hand to your NBL Youth 16 under runners-up and 14 under champions, Pampanga Junior Delta.